In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box around text on Visme, a great skill to enhance the visual appeal of your presentations or infographics with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily add a border to your text to make it stand out beautifully. First, we'll begin by selecting the text object you want to emphasize. To do this, simply double-click on the text. This action will highlight the text and open up various editing options for you, ensuring that you're ready to make some impactful changes. Making your text stand out with a highlighted border can help in focusing your audience's attention on the key information you want to convey. Once you have your text object selected, direct your attention to the left pane of the interface. Here, you'll find a range of options designed to enhance your design. Look for the Effects tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal a list of visual effects you can apply to your text. The Effects tab is your gateway to a variety of customization options, and it's a treasure trove for adding that extra touch of style to your work. Now, let's select Annotations. Annotations are tools within Visme designed to help draw attention or add extra clarity to specific elements of your design, and they include various styles you can apply over or around your text. In this case, we are interested in adding a box, so scroll through the selections and choose a style that suits your theme or preference, such as a simple box around your text. This feature is versatile and can be tailored to match the overall aesthetic of your project. Once you've selected a style, it's time to customize it to fit your content perfectly. You can adjust the thickness of the box to make it as subtle or as bold as you want. Next, consider the color of your box. Pick a shade that complements your text and the rest of your design while still being distinct enough to highlight the text effectively. Additionally, you may want to tweak the padding around your text. This adjusts the space between the text and the box, allowing for a snug fit or a more open and airy look, depending on the mood or style you're aiming for. Don't forget about positioning. Ensure the box is exactly where it needs to be to frame your text properly. This might involve slight adjustments here and there. Finally, explore the blur option. Adding a slight blur can create a subtle emphasis or a soft focus effect if your design calls for it. However, ensure it doesn't obscure the readability of your text. And there you have it. Your text now has a customized, stylish box around it, turning a simple line of text into a highlighted feature of your project. Adding these finishing touches can significantly enhance your presentation and help you deliver your message with clarity and style. Enjoy experimenting with these elements to make your design truly shine.